Hello, everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. I know I have been gone for a while, and I just want to first apologize, but I was on vacation for 3 weeks out of the country trying to have some family time, and I am now back. And what I wanted to do today is share a video with you about the Power Lead system. I know it's been a while since I've actually discussed the Power Lead system or talked about it, but that's because I've been working on other income streams. And for those that don't know, when you're online, you want to have more than one income stream. That's really important. Not only that, I am growing my platform and also branding myself, and I am still with the Power Lead system. So I'm just going to take some time to explain what the Power Lead system is, how it works. With the Power Lead system, I made over $70,000 last year alone, just learning how to generate traffic using the Power Lead system. I'm just happy about this opportunity because it has allowed me to earn a full-time income, and I continue to earn passively with this program because of the knowledge that they provide on how to run traffic. And for those that don't know, when you're online, traffic is very important. It's the blood of your business. If you want to do affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, you need to know how to run traffic, how to get leads on a consistent basis, because the more eyeballs is actually looking at your opportunity, the more money you're going to make, the more your business is going to grow and flourish. Okay, so what I want to show you here is commissions that's going to be paid out to me, $1,165.82. I have been earning passively and also a residual, which is included with the Power Lead system. For everyone that keeps their system, I earn a $20 residual commission. Not only that, they have higher levels. The gold being a $53 monthly fee, the diamond being a one-time purchase of $147. Platinum is a one-time purchase of $497, and then you have the Master Traffic Institute, which is $1497. These allow the Master Traffic Institute is just amazing. You get $1,000 commissions off top, and you get the best training from 6- and 7-figure earners on how to run traffic on a consistent basis. You also have the Platinum level that's going to give you unlimited $400 commissions. For the Diamond, Platinum, and the MTI level, you pay out one time and you receive unlimited commissions at those levels. The Diamond level is $100 payouts for every person that signs up under you, okay? When you come in, these buttons are going to be red. You want to get as many of them green as possible. When they are green, that means that you are now able to collect commissions on that level. Here is just adding your picture, and then you can purchase your domain directly through the Power Lead system, which is a yearly payment of, I believe, $17.97, okay? With this opportunity, you're able to create unlimited capture pages. They have a sales page. You can promote your own business opportunity and connect it to any capture page that's in the back office. Here they have training that is available to you. So what's going to happen is when you come in, depending on what level you start at, you'll have access to that training. So if you upgrade, for example, Master Traffic Institute, which is the highest level, you will unlock this training. Each level unlocks certain trainings. You do start out with the endless free leads, and you also start out with the training area, okay? Roadmap to Riches just basically gives you the information on what to expect when you join this program, how much you can earn, and basically gives you the blueprint of how to market, how much you're going to make based off of how much time passes and if you're doing the things that they tell you to do within the program, okay? So they have a here, click easy to start button when you actually get started. It's a short video that shows you how to get started in 3 simple steps. They have a Facebook group that has over 42,000 members a part of it. And then you have 2 links that you can promote, either the Lead Lightning link, which is going to give you unlimited $7 commissions at the $7 level. $7, $7 commissions. And then you have referral link B, which is going to promote Lead Lightning, which is $7, and then your primary business. So no matter what business you have, you can actually link that business to your back office, and people will see that information about your business opportunity whenever they, opt in to get information about the Power Lead system. So what I love about it the most is that if people are just interested in traffic, they can get the Power Lead system. If they're interested in your business, they'll also get information about that as well. And then they have the option to pick what fits their needs. A lot of people have their own business and just don't have a consistent traffic source. They can get that with the Power Lead system. Some people actually need a business, and then they can join your business. So you can, here, it allows you to take a tour of the system. So what they do is they go through the different tabs and tell you how the system works, how it operates, what to expect when you click on certain tabs. And then here, it shows you how to market your link. And as you know, there's different social media platforms that you can use to market your link. You can also use paid traffic, free traffic strategies. It doesn't matter what you're using, as long as it's consistent, it's going to work, okay? With online marketing, it's a numbers game. The more you put your information out there, the more money you're going to make, okay? So that's basically it in a nutshell. This is the Power Lead system. It is a great system to get unlimited traffic, to build your business, to learn how to grow and brand yourself online. The trainers that are in the back office that are showing you how to build your business, they are 6- and 7-figure earners that have a lot of experience in this field. Not only that, they have live trainings that happen 2 to 3 times a week, every single week. So when you become a part of the Power Lead system, you can get access to all of those live trainings that happen on a weekly basis that shows you how to utilize the system, how to run traffic, some of the new capture pages that they have available and sales pages that are available. Not only that, they have information about the new comp plan. When you log in, which I'll show you guys here, when you get started, there is a new comp plan. There's no more pass-ups, which we used to have, okay? But now we don't have pass-ups anymore. So everyone that you bring in actually sticks with you. It doesn't go up to your sponsor like it used to. This just gives you information about the Master Traffic Institute, which opened up May of last year. And it just tells you about that. If you go to the next page, there is some information in here. I don't know exactly where it's at right now, but it just gives you information on the comp plan and what to expect and new things that are coming up for any changes that they make with the system. So if you're interested in getting started, I am available to help you to get started. At the higher levels, I will set up your funnel for you. I will connect your business opportunity for you. I'll go over the different capture pages that they have so we can put together a funnel that fits your needs based off of what you want to do within your business. And again, if you don't have a business, Power Lead system can be your business. A lot of people use the Power Lead system and earn a full-time income just promoting Power Lead system, okay? So there's a lot of different things that you can do, and I'll go over all of that with you when you're ready to get started. I do work from home full-time. I have been doing this now since 2016 full-time, and I'm just grateful that I found the Power Lead system because it has not only gave me the knowledge of how to run traffic, but it's allowed me to brand myself and learn how to make funnels and how to leverage when you do become a part of a new opportunity. So again, I'm here for you if you need my help, if you're ready to get started. I am a real person. My phone number will be in the description below. And I just want to say thank you for viewing my video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell, which will give you notifications of any videos that I do, in the future. Okay, so thanks again for watching this video today, and have a great night, have a great week, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.